going to look at a few word problems here. We're going to start with this. Frosty Ice Cream Shop sells $2 for a banana split, so we're going to call this B. On a hot summer day, and okay, let me read this again. The Frosty Ice Cream Shop sells sundaes for $2 and banana splits for $3, so we're going to call them S and B. On a hot summer day, the shop sold 8 more sundaes than banana splits. So we're going to set up our equations first. So we have $2 for sundaes plus $3 for banana splits, and we spent a total of $156, or we got $156. On a hot summer day, the shop sold 8 more sundaes than banana splits. So if we go sundaes equals banana splits plus 8. So I think we can see that this is all set up for use for a substitution problem. So we're going to put 2 in parentheses B plus 8 plus 3B equals 156. We're going to distribute, and we get 2B plus 16 plus 3B equals 156. 2B and 3B gives us 5B plus 16, so I combine like terms, equals 156. We'll subtract 16 from both sides, and we get 5B, equals 140. We're going to, hold on, I'm going to move this up quite a bit. We're going to divide by 5 on both sides. And we are going to get B equals 28. Then we plug this back in, and we get S equals 8 plus 28, which is going to give us the sundaes are equal to 36. So we get 36 sundaes and we get 28 banana splits. Okay, let's do at least one more. We're going to do 2. Chase and Sarah went to the candy store, and Chase bought 5 pieces of fudge. We're going to call this, F for fudge, and 3 pieces of bubble gum. So we'll say B for bubble gum, for a total of $5.70. And Sarah bought 2 pieces of fudge and 10 pieces of bubble gum for a total of $3.60. Okay, so how are we going to do this? They say to use G for gum, but I'm going to use B. So we're going to say 5F plus 3B equals $5.70. And then Sarah has 2 fudge plus 10 bubble gum equals $3.60. Okay, so this is set up for a elimination problem. The only problem is we're going to have to multiply the top and bottom by a number. So we're going to multiply this whole thing on top by 2 and this whole thing on the bottom by -5. So we're doing both of them. So let's look at what our new equations will be so that we can multiply, so we can add straight down. We're going to get 10F plus 6B equals $5.70 times 2 is $11.40. And then we're going to get negative 10F minus 50B equals negative 18. We add straight down. Those are eliminated, and I'm going to get negative 44b equals negative 7. I know it's weird because it's a big number, but we're going to divide by negative 44 on both sides. And we're going to get b is equal to 0.16 or 16 cents, which makes a lot of sense. So then we're going to substitute this back into one of these original problems. We are going to say 5f plus 3 times 16 cents equals $5.70. So we're going to get 5f plus 48 cents equals 5.70. We'll subtract 48 cents from each side. And we're going to get 5f equals $5.22. We'll divide both sides by 5. And we get f equals 1.04. So what did we get here? We've got fudge, not fudge, but fudge is $1.04, and bubblegum is 16 cents. Okay, so that's just one way to do it. You got to figure out if you're going to use substitution or elimination or graphing, but I would use substitution or elimination first.